Hey everybody, looks like we're going to be getting our first snowstorm of the year, our first significant snowstorm of the year. The weather forecaster's got it narrowed down to 4 inches to 18 inches. Now it's just one of those storms that the elevation makes a big determination. So where we are, it looks like we're going to be getting about a foot of snow. If you go to the north of us or to the east of us, they're going to be probably getting 18 inches of snow. So we're probably going to have to do some snow removal. So I thought I'd walk out to the shed and make sure the tractor starts. Alright, well that's a plus. You okay? Alright. Alright, so we're gonna we'll let that run for just a little bit. When we're done with this, we've got to go up to the fire station and we got to put some chains on some Firetrucks. I think just one truck. We did one truck the other night, but we got to do this one. So when we're done here, we're gonna shoot up to the fire station and put some tire chains on, which is never fun, honestly, but something that's got to be done. And I'm meeting I think there's like 4 or 5 people coming, so shouldn't be too bad. I got a little trickle charger that got wired into the tractor. The battery for this thing is actually right behind here, and you got to take the hood off, which is easy to do, but you still got to take the hood off to get to it. So I wired up this little trickle charger, and it seems to be enough that it doesn't struggle to start in the winter time. And then I just got this cheapo. I got this cheapo light out here that is just enough so that I'm not working out here in the dark. But anyway, we'll get heading on up to the fire station. The fire department that I belong to it's a rural fire department, small, but I've been doing it for 35 years, so I got a lot of heart and soul into this place. So it's just something I can't step away from. And if you ever want to find out a little something about yourself, try joining the volunteer fire department. It'll humble you. There's a lot more to it than people realize. So the fire station is about 5 miles from my house, and it takes about, it's like a six to 8 minute drive. So there's really no easy way to get there. That's how long it takes. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over. I'm hanging on, yes, I'm staying home. I need so much ground just to keep from floating. My love is roaring that heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes sober. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes sober.
All right, here we are. This is our station. It's small. It's about 65, 70 years old, and we're gonna put the chains on this tanker right here. Hey! I know. Is that side? No, you're fine. Is that side all set over there?
Pretty much, but I gotta roll forward so I can get my hook over on that side.
Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and get these chains put on. All right, he's going to take it down the street, down to the elementary school parking lot, spin around and come back, and then we'll tighten him up one more time. So this is it. This is our little fire station. We got a pumper over here. We got a Mack pumper back here. That's a 1988. That one's due to be replaced. And we've got a rescue truck over here. Carries our jaws. and all of our rescue gear. And then outside, we've kind of outgrown the garage a little bit. So outside, in one of these pop-up tents that everybody in the world has, we have a Dodge 2500 quad cab. That's our service truck we use for transporting people and equipment anywhere and everywhere. It's really it's used for everything. And then inside this trailer right here, probably not going to be able to see it well, but it's our off-road rescue gear right here. We got a 6x6 ATV, all kinds of gear for getting people out of sticky situations in the backwoods. We do that a couple times a year. Wait for them to get back. We'll tighten up the chains, and then we'll head home. All of our trucks have automatic, quote unquote, tire chain setup, and they work pretty good, but nothing beats having a full set of chains on your tires. So if you've never seen those work before, I'm going to operate them for you right now. Like I said, they work pretty good, but nothing beats having a full set of tire chains on. Alright, that didn't take too long, about half hour or so. Now I'm gonna run home, and Angela and I are gonna go to Walmart. And she normally goes first thing Friday morning to get groceries, but it's gonna be right in the middle of that storm, so we are gonna take one for the team and go tonight. And I'm sure everybody else is thinking the same thing. So anyway, should be kind of fun. I'm not going to record that for you. I'm going to save you from that. But tractor's ready to go, fire truck's ready to go, and I guess we'll just wait and see how this storm progresses. It's supposed to start snowing. It's almost 5 o'clock right now. It's supposed to start snowing anytime, and we'll see how it goes. So, all right, it's the next day. We did the Walmart thing last night. It was a little chaotic, but we survived. It rained all night. It didn't even start snowing until early this morning, about 6 o'clock, and since then it's let's see, it's about 9 o'clock now. We got about 3 inches or so, and it's wet, heavy, slippery snow. So the roads, I don't think, are in bad shape. We're about ready to pull out onto the main road, but yeah, see, I got my foot on the brakes. I'm just sliding down the hill right now. Anti-lock brakes. Not sure you can hear it or not. Anyway, yeah, so the main roads, they look pretty good, and it doesn't look like we're gonna get it doesn't look like we're going to get a foot of snow, which is a good thing. So I guess we'll head into work for a little while, and there's probably no snow over there. It's only 8 miles away, but there's an elevation change, so there's probably no snow there. So we'll see what we got. Alright, so we're almost at work, and as you can see, there's really not a lot of snow here, and so I guess we'll wait and see how the day plays out. But yeah, winter storm, first one of the year, total bust. Dogs love the snow. Alright, so this storm was a bit of a bust. It's been raining all day. In the lower elevations we got some snow, probably, I don't know, 6 inches or so, but it's really wet, heavy snow. So we're gonna fire up the tractor and do a little snow removal. All right, there it is. That's the end of this fizzled out snowstorm. And I guess we'll catch you at the next one. I was hoping it was going to be a little more dramatic, but so I thought that was the end of the video, but last night we ended up getting this. It's probably about 6 or 8 inches of heavy wet snow, and it looks beautiful, but now it's got to be removed. I ended up being out with the fire department for a couple hours last night for a medical emergency, and yeah, it was just kind of one of them nights. Last night it was not supposed to be the height of the storm, but it ended up being the height of the storm. So we got a lot of wet, heavy snow here today, and we're going to clean it up. I'm not going to film it. You've already seen me do it once. But yeah, so there it is. The storm came through in the end. We ended up, I guess we ended up with about a foot of snow. Just kind of give you a sense of how much snow we have here. This roof here had no snow on it the other day, so there's about a foot of snow right there. So I guess this is the final end of the video. So thanks for watching.